Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about the theory part of the electromagnetic wave in a perfect dielectric and one of the numerical on that is nothing but lossless medium. Now in today's lecture we study about the electromagnetic waves in good conductor along with a skin effect. So let us consider a practical or a good conductor, which is nothing but a material which will have a very high conductivity. So we need to consider one of the good conductor which is having very high conductivity. So in general, what we can tell is conductivity is of order 10⁸ mho per meter in the good conductor like copper and aluminum, etc. So to have some of the equations, we need to consider one of the good conductor with a very high conductivity like copper and aluminum with a 10⁷ mu per meter, right? Mho per meter, right? So now for good conductors, here sigma by omega epsilon is very much greater than 1. So therefore now propagation constant gamma is given by, already know that gamma is equal to root of j omega mu into bracket sigma plus j omega epsilon. This is equation 1. Now as we tell that sigma is very much greater than omega e, so we neglect imaginary part j omega e. So therefore the equation 11.7.1 becomes gamma is equal to root of j omega mu epsilon. After that it becomes gamma is equal to root of omega mu epsilon root of j. We want to make separate. So these are some equations of propagation constant. Next it is continued where j is equal to 1 into at an angle 90 degree. So therefore gamma is equal to root of omega mu sigma into root of 1 at an angle 90 degree, that is into root of omega mu sigma at an angle 45 degree, right? So therefore now gamma is equal to root of omega mu sigma angle 45 means you can tell it is a cos 45 plus j sin 45. So therefore that is nothing but equal to root of omega mu sigma into root of cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus j sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So therefore now gamma will be equal to root of omega means 2 pi f to mu into sigma into bracket 1 by root 2 into bracket 1 plus j 1. So which is nothing but gamma is nothing but equal to alpha plus j beta. So here now we can tell it that root of pi f mu sigma plus j root of pi f mu sigma, right? So that is the equation we get for gamma. Now for good conductor, alpha is equal to root of pi f mu sigma Nikola per meter and beta is equal to root of pi f mu sigma radian per meter. Both are same. So for good conductors, alpha and beta are equal and both are directly proportional to square root of frequency and conductivity, right? Now next we go to the intrinsic impedance of a good conductor. So what is the intrinsic impedance of the good conductor? So intrinsic impedance of the good conductor can be estimated by eta is equal to root of j omega mu by sigma plus j omega epsilon. This is equation 11.7.3. So already we have seen. Now as it is continued, for a good conductor sigma is very much greater than j omega epsilon. So therefore eta is equal to root of j omega mu divided by epsilon, because j omega is neglected, j omega epsilon is neglected. So therefore this equation again it is converted as root of omega mu by sigma, that is into root of j. So into root of j means it is nothing but root of 45. So therefore cos of 45 plus j sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. So substituting this value in eta, so we get root of omega mu by 2 sigma into bracket 1 plus j 1. So root of 2 pi f, that is the value of omega, into mu divided by 2 sigma into bracket 1 plus j 1. So now eta will be equal to root of pi f mu by sigma, that is nothing but equal to 1 plus j1. This is the equation for intrinsic impedance. So finally we can tell that skin depth of the good conductor is delta is equal to 1 by alpha, or it can be 1 by beta, that is nothing but 1 by root of pi f mu sigma meter. This is equation of skin depth. This is about what the electromagnetic waves in a good conductor along with the skin effect. Thank you.